In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use skills in Notion AI. Start by opening Notion in your browser and making sure you're already signed in. Once you're inside your workspace, get the page or database ready that you want to summarize later. In this example, that's a marketing report page, but you can use any page you want. Now create a new page that will become your AI skill. You can do this from your sidebar or wherever you normally add a page in Notion. When the blank page opens, go to the title area at the top and type Summarize for Slack. This page is going to store the instructions Notion AI will reuse anytime you call this skill. Next, click into the body of the page and enter the prompt that defines exactly how the AI should respond. Type this carefully so the formatting and behavior stay consistent. Write Summarize the provided content into a Slack-ready message. Use 3 to 5 bullet points. Keep each bullet under 20 words. Start with a one-line TLDR in bold. Use plain language, no jargon, and with one action item if applicable. Once that prompt is in place, move to the upper right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This opens the page options. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Use with AI. Hover over that, and then click Use as AI skill. As soon as you do that, Notion should show a blue banner near the top of the page confirming that this page is now set up as a skill. That confirmation is important because it tells you the page is no longer just a normal note. It can now be called directly inside Notion AI. With the skill created, go back to your main workspace using the left sidebar. Now open the Notion AI chat by clicking the AI chat icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This brings up the chat panel, where you can call your saved skill and apply it to content in your workspace. Click into the chat input box. Type the add symbol, then start typing Summarize for Slack. As you type, Notion will show suggestion results. Look near the top of that list for a section labeled Skills. You should see Summarize for Slack appear there. Click it to select it. This tells Notion AI to use the instructions you saved on that skill page. After the skill is inserted into the chat, continue your message by telling AI what content to summarize. Type a prompt like this: summarize this page, and then mention the page you want to use. In this case, mention your marketing report draft page. Once the skill and the target page are both referenced in the message, press Enter to send it. Now Notion AI reads two things at once: the instructions inside your skill and the content inside the page you mentioned. It then combines both to generate a response in the format you defined. So instead of giving you a generic summary, it should produce something designed specifically for Slack. When the response appears in the chat panel, review it closely. You should see a bold TLDR line at the top, followed by 3 to 5 short bullet points. Each bullet should stay concise, and the wording should be simple and easy to understand. If it makes sense for the content, the result should also end with one action item. This is how you verify that the skill is working correctly and following your saved prompt. At this point, the setup is complete, and your main workflow is done. You now have a reusable Notion AI skill called Summarize for Slack, and you can call it again anytime you need a Slack-ready summary from another page in your workspace. Just open AI chat, mention the skill, mention the content, and send the request. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A nice part of this feature is consistency. Instead of rewriting the same prompt every time, you save the instructions once and reuse them whenever needed. That means your summaries stay in the same style across reports, updates, and drafts. If you want, you can create more skills for other formats too, like email summaries, meeting recaps, or executive updates, using the same process you followed here. And that's it. You successfully set up and used a native Notion AI skill to turn a page into a Slack-ready summary in just a few clicks.